Hello everyone, I'm David with Softron. Now the big news in broadcast has been the announcement of live immersive workflows and 100 gigabit Ethernet solutions for SMPTE 2110. Now at Softron, we are pretty excited about this as we actually started talking about immersive workflows back at IBC 2024. Back then, we were even discussing supporting these formats over SDI. Then the year after that, at IBC 2025, we took a major step forward and demonstrated ProRes over SMPTE 2110. It was a big technical milestone we achieved, and a lot of people are excited, but there was also the question of, what would this work with? Well, now we have our answer. And these products coming to market later this year that are built to support immersive live production. So the Softron solutions like Movie Recorder and Replay and on-the-air video that are in use today for live immersive productions, these are at the forefront of this new medium. Back when we demonstrated immersive capture in SDI, we knew that this would not be a solution the industry adopted. The image quality was great, but it was too cumbersome with the amount of cabling for one camera. It had to be better. SMPTE 2110 was the likely solution as it increases flexibility and drastically simplifies cabling. However, even in a 100 gigabit Ethernet pipe, immersive data rates are massive. So while 2110 could solve the infrastructure problem, it didn't solve the bandwidth problem. This is where ProRes over 2110 changes the equation. It offers a solution that comes between uncompressed data with massive data streams that eat up bandwidth, and delivery codecs like H.265 that offers smaller and heavily compressed files. ProRes will offer dramatically reduced bandwidth while maintaining visually lossless compression. So let's get to what this actually looks like in practice for solutions like Movie Recorder and Replay and on-the-air video. When operating a 100 gigabit interface connected over Thunderbolt 5, such as the Macnica MEP100, you can expect to get 8 channels of 4K 60 in ProRes HQ, or 4 channels of immersive content in 4320 at 90 frames per second, or even 1 channel of the massive 7168 by 7168 immersive video at 90 frames per second. And because Softron solutions are scalable, you can run multiple cards simultaneously to expand even further. The combination of ProRes and SMPTE 2110 and the benefits of Apple Silicon using ProRes creates a foundation for immersive production that is scalable and real. And Softron is at the center of making it happen today. And as it always is with our products, we are delivering reliable, smarter, and more integrated solutions that make teams faster, more efficient, and more agile. It is built to be powerful, designed to be simple. So if you're coming to NAB, make sure you come by the booth N845. We're right by the main stage and see what we've been working on. Thanks for watching.